Hey everyone, I'm thrilled to present the Edge 50 Fusion, a brand new product from Motorola, today. This smartphone is new to the market and has a beautiful appearance along with amazing specs. Let's see the specific features that set the Motorola Edge 50 Fusion apart. 3 fashionable colors are available for the Motorola Edge 50 Fusion: marshmallow blue, hot pink, and forest blue. The phone has outstanding build quality, with a Corning Gorilla Glass 5 front panel. The phone is both aesthetically pleasing and ergonomic, with a robust plastic frame and an eco-leather, plastic, or fake suede back panel, depending on the hue. The power button, volume controls, and fingerprint scanner are all positioned on the right side of the device, and the port and button arrangement is well thought out. With its compatibility for 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM card and 1 memory card, this smartphone is adaptable to a variety of user requirements. It also boasts IP68 dust and water resistance, which enables it to survive 30 minutes submerged in water up to 1.5 meters. The display on the Motorola Edge 50 Fusion is one of its best qualities. The phone has a 6.7-inch POLED screen with superb contrast and brightness. Rich and colorful, the display has a 20:9 aspect ratio and a 92% screen-to-body ratio. With a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, excellent clarity and detail are guaranteed. Moreover, the display can handle a refresh rate of 144 Hz, which is quite advantageous for gamers and video aficionados, as it allows for exceptionally smooth animations and transitions. Even in direct sunshine, the screen may be comfortably used thanks to its maximum brightness of 1600 nits. Built on a 6nm technology, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 CPU powers the Motorola Edge 50 Fusion. This guarantees the device can easily manage both routine chores and more demanding applications. With 512 GB of UFS 2.2 internal storage and 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, the smartphone has more than enough room for data without the need for external drives. Fast data access and seamless multitasking are guaranteed by this combination. Let's now discuss the cost. Because of its affordable pricing, the Motorola Edge 50 Fusion is a desirable choice for people seeking a high-performing smartphone without going over budget. The Motorola Edge 50 Fusion is the ideal choice for gamers, since it can easily handle all contemporary games at high settings. For a seamless gaming experience, a quick and reliable internet connection is essential, and the device supports both Bluetooth 5.3 and Wi-Fi 6. Because the smartphone has 2 stereo speakers that produce crystal clear, powerful music, its sound quality is excellent. Even the pickiest consumers are sure to be pleased with the high-quality sound that the headphone output provides. The Motorola Edge 50 Fusion has 2 cameras when it comes to photography. With an f1.9 aperture, the primary camera features a 50-megapixel sensor, and the secondary camera has a 13-megapixel sensor with an f2.2 aperture. With the right illumination, you may take stunning pictures with clear details and brilliant colors. The portrait mode works nicely, resulting in visually appealing, rich photos with little mistakes. While not as good as the primary sensor, the wide-angle module nevertheless produces passable images, and has a 2-fold zoom, giving you more creative control over how you frame your shots. The night mode performs fairly well in low light, however there is a minor loss of detail. Even when walking at a moderate pace, the smartphone takes videos with excellent stability and fluidity. The 2-fold zoom capability and ultra-wide module improve video recording and offer flexibility in shooting various scenarios. The 32-megapixel front camera has an f2.5 aperture and supports 4K quality recording. It produces high-quality selfies and operates well in both portrait and standard mode. However, the front camera has trouble with noise in low light, which makes sense given the difficult surroundings. The front camera can capture videos of Full HD and 4K resolutions with respectable image quality and stabilization, which makes it appropriate for vlogs and video calls. Another advantage of the Motorola Edge 50 Fusion is its long battery life. With its 5000 mAh battery, it may be used for longer periods of time, even when actively using it. A modern smartphone can run for up to 2 days on a single charge, according to the manufacturer. That's about 30 hours of use. The gadget also has 68-watt fast charging capabilities, which lets you charge the battery to 50% capacity in just 15 minutes. For customers who often need a rapid power boost and are constantly on the go, this feature is especially helpful. All things considered, the Motorola Edge 50 Fusion is a great option for anybody looking for a cutting-edge smartphone with a chic appearance and potent performance. It has a lengthy battery life, an amazing display, great cameras, and a high-performance processor. It is appropriate for both daily usage and enjoyment due to its appearance and functionality. I appreciate you watching, and please return soon for more reviews. Have a nice day and God bless you.